Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome once again to Forex Success. I'm going to show you about the video of crash and boom, trading crash and boom. We're still testing the same strategy as you can see. So, guys, make sure to hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification and hit the like button right now. Guys, hit the like button right now. Give this video a thumbs up. I want to see more likes on this video. Yeah, guys, hit the like button right now. Okay, let's get started, guys. Okay. Looking at this is the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, guys, we are expecting a spike right now. We're expecting the spike. Yes, guys, we are expecting the spike. You know, we said once this red crosses this green, the spike is approaching. So, guys, I want to place a sell for crash 500. Yes, sir. Yes. Okay, guys, I just placed a sell for crash 500. Okay. So we are expecting a sell right now. Let's see how this strategy works. Okay, guys, let's see how this strategy works. And as you can see from the 30-minute time frame, it's pointing up. But look, guys, this is resistance here. And this market is expected to touch and at least pull back at this point. So that's the spike we're expecting. That's just another confirmation. Same with the 15-minute time frame, we're expecting a pullback here before this market might continue or reverse. So, guys, we're expecting a spike. And I told you it's when I told you guys, as you can see, guys, I told you like we were expecting a spike, and you see I just paused this video because I had something urgent to attend to, and you can see the spike, right, guys? This strategy, it's a boom, like it's a boom. Look, guys, look, I closed the trade here. Let me zoom it out so you can see. I closed the sell here, and look, we got a spike in less than 2 candles. Guys, I advise wait for good confirmations. The volatility market, the synthetic indices market is 24 hours a day. You can always get trades, good trades. Enter only good trades. Look, guys, $5, $10 on an instant, just like this. If you were to use a bigger lot size, you make more. $10 on an instant, guys. Look, this is how we make money, guys. This is how we make money from this. I told you, wait for good setups. Like, okay, watch this. I said, and this another spike, $32 each. Guys, you can see this is how we make this money. $32 each, just within 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, guys. Within 2 minutes. Look, we make the money, guys. We make the money. From the 15-minute time frame, you can see it touched the resistance level, and then it went back. Just like this candle. It's trying to maintain the downtrend. Guys. Trying to maintain the downtrend. Yeah. It is. You can see it's trying to maintain the downtrend, guys. This is how we make it. Yeah. Guys, give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. I wish you saw the spike the way it happened, but the video was paused at that time because I had to attend to something. That's why I paused the video in order not to distract you. So guys, you can see this strategy is working perfectly. So put it on your chart and start using it and start making money from this. Enter only good setups. Enter good setups only. Enter good setups in order to be very accurate, guys. Confirm from you add your price action. I believe you know how to do price action. Add the skills of price action and trade. Price action, you know that once this thing gets here, it's going to pull back. Even if it's going to continue, it has to pull back. And pulling back is our spike. We catch the spike. Guys, I'm closing this trade now. I'm closing this trade now. Yes. So guys, this is what I was telling you. I told you the strategy, it's a banger. So let me show you the setup. Just 4 indicators needed. First, your average directional movement index. All indicators are in indicator window 1, as you can see on my screen. The first indicator is the average directional movement, the period 50 star 2 pixel, the DI plus 2 pixel, DI minus 2 pixel. But you add color only to the DI plus. You see, guys, the rest will be the color of your screen, which is the star and the minus DI. Then the levels is 0, 5, 10, 20, 35, 00. To know how to add your levels, guys, you can click on the add button. You can click on the add button to add your levels. Okay, guys, that's it. The next indicator, then you click down. The next indicator is the moving average, which you have period 10, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, star 4 pixel, color, I'm using red, then you click done. The market facilitation, guys, I believe you all know how to do this. DM me on Instagram to ask me questions in case you are not able to maybe set your indicators or you don't understand this. DM me on Instagram. We run a mentorship program. You can apply for it. We'll teach you how to trade, and we also give out signals. So join us on our Telegram group. The link is at the description below. You can join the VIP signal group to get daily signals, guys. It will help you to be very profiting on your trades. So guys, for the market facilitation index, the volume we're using tick, then the line width 4 pixel, the MFI up, the volume up is you use green color, the MFI down black, the MFI up for the volume down black, then the MFI down volume up green, just as you see it in my screen. Then you click done. Commodity China index period 14, apply to typical price, star 2 pixel, then the levels is minus 100 and 100. Click on done. That's all, guys. Very simple. That's all, guys. Very simple to set. After you set your indicators, guys, you are good to go, and you get this on your screen just the way mine. Make sure you put it on your 1 minute time frame, and then you zoom to your third zoom level. This is how to zoom to your third level. Just pinch inwards your screen to the lowest level it can, then pull out once like this. One, this is the second zoom level, then 2, the third zoom level. If you have to go to the fourth, again 4th zoom level, and again 5th zoom level, which is the last. So we are going to the 3rd zoom level, which is this. So guys, you see, make sure to hit that like button, guys. Hit that like button if you want me to be dropping more strategies, more way to trade in synthetic indices, guys, hit the like button and comment down below. Subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification so you will be notified each time I drop a video, guys. Hit the like button, guys. Do it now, hit that like button and say, yo, Colin, thank you for the strategy. It really worked for me. And a lot of people are really testifying about the strategy, how it's helping them make money. And I tell you guys, if you keep on using this strategy, you will make massive income from it. And you know the good thing about it is that you will get used to it. Don't leave a strategy because you lose trades from it. Guys, keep on using it because you will get used to it. You will become so used to the strategy that you make money continuously for it, and you will hardly lose trades from it, guys. You will hardly lose trades from it if you keep on practicing that strategy. So guys, thanks once again for watching. Hit the like button, share this video to your friends, to your co-traders, so they will benefit from this, guys. Thank you once again. Hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Nice one.